This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
Not so long ago, this was another stretch of woodland and undeveloped land along Interstate 16 east of Savannah, Georgia. These days, inside the highly automated facility, crossovers and SUVs are built by a hybrid workforce of robots to deliver parts and move semi-finished units around. Then assembly line workers make sure intricate sections are properly installed before a finished vehicle rolls off the line to be tested under a variety of road conditions at the plant's test track. That done, it was time to see how the finished product drives. For this exercise, it was a choice between the 3-row Ioniq 9 or the 2-row Ioniq 5. Both are EVs. My drive partner and I ended up in the Ioniq 5 for a tour of southeast Georgia. So anybody can drive an EV on a street or a public highway. That's not a problem. They're quiet, they're quick, they're efficient. But are they any good off-road? Well, let's find out. Well, maybe not quite off-road, on the grass. For this part of the experience, it was the XRT model, which is set up with all-wheel drive, all-terrain tires, and a slightly higher ground clearance than other trim levels.
Now, is this a rock crawler? No. But it is at least worth investing in if you want to drive on the grass or someone's field and not feel too embarrassed.
Then we took it up a level in a time test to see how it performs when driven with enthusiasm. While admittedly I'm not a track driver, the Ioniq 5 equated itself well under hard acceleration and sharp turns. As for my time, let's leave it at it won't be in the record books. The more aggressive drivers completed the section while punctuating it with a cloud of dust. If nothing else, it's a clear demonstration that EVs are capable of a lot more than what a lot of people give them credit for. At the same time, they're not subject to the economic whims of shifting fuel prices. I'm Greg Morrison.